At the Makadara Law Courts in Nairobi is nursing gunshot wounds after she was shot by an armed police officer during a live court proceeding. The magistrate was shot after she made a judgment that did not go down well with her shooter, who was an interested party in an ongoing fraud case. The case involved one woman who was accused to have obtained 2.9 million shillings through false pretense. The woman is said to be in a relationship with a senior police officer who shot and injured the principal magistrate. Our crime beat reporter Franklin Wala was at the crime scene and filed this report.
A senior police officer who was the OCS at Londiani Police Station in Kericho County, Mr. Samson Kipchirchir Kipruto, is the one who shot and injured the principal magistrate at the Makadara Law Courts in Nairobi. The shooting happened moments after the magistrate Monica Kivuti gave a ruling that did not go down well with the accused, as the said police officer Mr. Kipruto is said to have been in a strong relationship with the accused, who was in court today. The officer was present with a Jericho pistol and perhaps on a mission. When the magistrate Monica Kivuti pronounced herself on the matter touching on his close friend, things took a tragic turn. The magistrate gave orders to have Jennifer remanded in prison for absconding appearances severally after she had been released on bond. The said friend was charged for obtaining a sum of 2.9 million shillings through false pretense, and orders to have her remanded triggered the tempers of a trigger-happy Samson Kipruto, who forcefully gained entry into the courtroom using the magistrate's door. The chief inspector of police aimed at the magistrate, firing indiscriminately and injured her on the chest and the pelvic area. The shooting of a magistrate in a live court proceeding is one of the most daring moments ever witnessed in the country. But it becomes even more complex when the shooter is a senior law enforcement officer.
Started running, there was panic. Everyone started panicking, but what we could hear is lie down, lie down. We were all running for our lives.
A situation erupted up in court number 9, whereby one suspect entered to the courts and injured the magistrate in that particular court and the orderlies. But lucky enough, our officers who are within the courts were able to act swiftly, and we managed to neutralize the situation. And now we can say that our magistrates and the officers are stable.
In the ensuing chaos and dramatic shootout, a detective who was present fatally injured Kipruto and ended the reckless shooting. Several other police officers and orderly officers were injured as well. The magistrate was rescued and rushed to hospital where she is recuperating. One female officer is however fighting for her life with a bullet lodged in her left hip.
But we are able to connect the situation between the suspect and the whoever who was involved in the case which was ongoing within the courts. But the details of the same will just come out in due time.
Anyone is aggrieved or is not satisfied with the decision of the court, there are many avenues where they can seek. They can appeal, they can review a decision. So that is not the right way to go.
Following the unfortunate tragic shooting, Chief Justice Martha Koome ordered the closure of Makadara Law Courts until Monday, June 17th for security reinforcement. Matters at the court will be heard virtually, and those requiring physical appearance will be mentioned at Milimani Law Courts. The CJ further noted the importance of enhanced security within the judiciary premises, as he regretted the horrific scenes witnessed at Makadara Law Courts today, adding the aim was to kill the magistrate. Franklin Wala, TV 47.